Hi, this is a short video on how to use a standard order to do the following. Offer special pricing to a customer, limit which items a customer can purchase, and limit which items a particular customer can access via the portal. Please note that this video does not offer an overview on standard orders. You can find our standard order overview video linked in the description box below. Start by creating a standard order for a customer. Once you've made an order standard, you will see the following options appear. When a user creates a new order, which prices should be used? If you do not wish to use the standard order to offer special pricing to a customer, keep the default Use Current Prices option. If you do wish to use the standard order to offer special pricing to a customer, select Use Prices from this order. Note that to change the price of an item on an order, the user must be given permission. You can find a help document on setting permissions in the description box below. If you select Use Prices from this order, the prices you enter for the items on the standard order will be the prices for those items on every new order thereafter for that customer. And all pricing information for that customer will reflect the prices from the standard order for any item on that order throughout the portal. This includes the cost shown on the Items tab for that customer. In other words, the pricing entered on the standard order overrides the price that comes from QuickBooks and overrides any special pricing that you may have uploaded from a spreadsheet. Should a customer be prevented from adding lines to an order? You could check this box if you want your customer to only purchase the items you've included on their standard order. By checking this box, you are preventing a customer from being able to add any items to an order. If you choose to do so, please note the following. If an item line on an order is deleted, it cannot be added back to the order. To have the deleted item be on an order, a new order will have to be created. And customers will be able to edit quantities for the items on their standard order. Should a customer user be prevented from accessing items not on the standard order throughout the portal? If this box is checked, the customer will only be able to see the items that are included on their standard order throughout their portal. As an in-house or rep user creating a copy of a standard order, if any of the prices on the standard order are different than the current product prices, you will be presented with a dialog box asking whether to use current prices or prices from the standard order. Customer users will not be given this option. Thank you for watching. We hope you found it useful. If you have any questions, write to us at support@Crik-IT.com or schedule a call with us using the link in the description box below.